Belgian chocolate has a reputation of being one of the world's most luxurious chocolates, but it often begs the question, why? I mean, there's chocolatiers everywhere cooking up something delicious, but what makes Belgian chocolate any better? Well, let's talk about it. This is History Kitchen. Chocolate is a relatively new product in the Western world when you take a look at the bigger picture. Chocolate originated in America and was taken to Europe and was transformed throughout the centuries into the confection that we know today. However, chocolate wasn't formally introduced into Western Europe until the 17th century, and it was served as a beverage, similar to how it was ingested for centuries. And it wasn't until the 1800s when it was discovered that chocolate could be eaten in solid form by the chocolatier Fry and Sons. And that's where it all began. But what makes Belgian chocolate so great? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's go. I'm here in Antwerp, in Belgium, also known as the Diamond City, and I'm here to seek out some chocolate to see what makes Belgian chocolate so special. The innovation in chocolate making was historic as it opened a world of possibilities for chocolatiers everywhere, as this meant that chocolate could be molded into different shapes and sizes. When I was in Antwerp, I noticed there was an appreciation for hands, and there were many depictions of the hand, particularly in chocolates, but why was that? So the story behind this statue is that the brave Roman soldier, who I can't remember the name, he chopped off the hand of the giant that was terrorizing this part of Europe, and he threw it into the river, thus giving birth to Antwerp. And actually Antwerp is a variation of the Dutch word, I believe it's Dutch, hand, which is and werpen, which is throwing it into the river. Actually, the story goes, Silvius Bravo was a Roman soldier that defeated the giant Drone Antigon and cut off his hands and cast them into the river. The name Antwerp translates to hand throwing, which you can see depicted in the statue in the historic city center square. Now that we know the story behind the chocolate hands, let's go get some. Okay, I am back. Something seems a little different. Anyways, Belgium is known for their chocolate, but why? Well, after it was discovered that chocolate could be eaten in solid form, a man named Jean Neuhaus created the praline. And originally he was making chocolate-covered medicine to make it easier to eat. Anyways, I believe that the praline is the king of all chocolates, as chocolatiers everywhere were learning how to make these tasty little treats. And I know you may be asking, now you just wait one dang second. A praline is a flat caramelized confection that contains nuts and has a consistency similar to fudge. You ain't trying to pull a fast one on us, are you? Well, actually, the praline that we know in America is different to the praline that we know in Europe. The similarity drawn between the two is that they both contain nuts, and the name is thought to be a reference to the French cook Marshal Duplessis Praline, who inspired the modern-day praline. Oh. Belgian pralines, or praline as they were originally pronounced, are small chocolate vessels containing a rich, creamy center. You can see how the original creations by Neuhaus could have been made. Well, now that we know the story, let's see what all the fuss is about. Wow. I mean, it's super rich and creamy, and you can definitely tell the quality of the chocolate that was used to make these. And they're incredibly rich, but they're not super overpowering, but they are sweet. I can definitely see why people love these so much. Ooh. As you can see, it's the insides are quite soft. So that one melted on me a little bit, but well, So would I say that these are the best in the world? Well, honestly, yes. I mean, they are delicious, but that's just me. I guess Belgium really earned the crown as being the king of all chocolates, as it created one of the greatest innovations in chocolate history, the praline. There's so many different ways that you can make these bite-sized candies, so who knows what they might come up with next. And what about you? Have you tried them? And what was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And one last thing, what would you like for me to talk about next? Until next time, this is History Kitchen. I'm just gonna film something really quick. So the girl at the chocolate shop sold me this piece that she said that it was made to look like a piece of wood, or I mean, I suppose it does look a little bit like a tree stump. I don't know if it's gonna focus. But anyways, she said that it has, the flavor is of wood, so let's try it. It's funny. It's like, it kind of tastes like chocolate pine tree. It's nice, I would definitely say get it. It's super soft on the inside, it's like ganache. And of course the outside is crunchy. Or not crunchy, but it's hard. It's like, I would definitely say it's like chocolate pine tree mixed with mesquite and chocolate. It's good. 2 thumbs up.